Maeda, cereal food manufacturing. A journey of pure and authentic Middle Eastern taste. Every grain of sesame tells a story of purity, care, and quality. From the finest global farms to our state-of-the-art, fully automated facility. We transform natural ingredients into timeless delicacies. Our tahina is smooth, rich, and authentic. Extracted from 100% pure sesame seeds. Roasted and milled to perfection. A true expression of authentic Middle Eastern flavor. Halawa, carefully blended tahina and sugar, brought together in soft, flaky harmony. Comes in a delightful variety of flavors. Classic plain, rich pistachio, indulgent chocolate, from fruity Malbon to smooth marzipan, every product is handled with care. Dubai Delights is Turkish delight, more than just a treat. Handcrafted, dusted with love, available in a variety of flavors like apple, orange, banana, strawberry, mango, pineapple, lemon, mint, rose, and cherry. From raw materials to final packaging, our HACCP certified plant ensures food safety, consistency, and excellence at every step. Maeda cereal food manufacturing, pure, authentic, and Middle Eastern taste.